installment of Dorito and the Luch. And today, I don't know if many of you noticed, but it's getting cold up here on Luch Mountain, people. And riding around open cab in our BMS is frigid, if you know what I mean. So what we've got today is a cab enclosure, people. And we're going to be installing this bad boy on our BMS Stallion 600 today. This will keep us warm in the coldest of Luch Mountain nights, people, while we're plowing our snow, or if we just want to cuddle at the drive-ins with Mrs. Luch, this will be just what we need. So, stick with us, and we're going to get this bad boy on in no time. Rock on. Okay, people, we're going to get this unwrapped here and see what we've got going on here. And wow, right away you can see BMS is proud of their product here, people. Yes, they are. But as you can also see, they're proud of it in several places. Okay, let's continue to open this bad boy up. That's what you do with that. Now, if you got more in there, you can do with it as you please. Recycle, people. Save the sea turtles. Okay. Well, this doesn't look all that bad either. I'll notice right off that it's got a place in the top that we can bolt down the top through it. So let's get to unbolting the top and bolting this on, shall we? Rock on. Oh, jeez. I see you! Okay, people, the first thing we need to do is to get our top off. And that's easy. All we need is a 5mm Allen, and of course, power tools. And we'll just get up in here and start taking these little brackets off, which should come off fairly easily. Now there's going to be 4 of them on each side. So pardon me while I get the other side. Now I don't want you people looking at my butt, even though I know you want to. So once we get these off, it's real simple. Now all we do is take the top off. And we can just lay that right back over to the side like that. We'll be putting that on later. Let's get to putting the cab on now. Now all we have to do is take our enclosure and drape it over the top. And with the assistance of the beautiful Mrs. Luch, we can do that. And we'll just pull this right over the top like this, draping it carefully around the front, pulling it down like this around the back side so it covers the whole thing. Okay. Now then, what we need to do is get inside. Let's get inside, shall we? And you know, it seems, people, that it might be easier if we tilt the bed up. So let's tilt the bed up, and we'll pull the rest of this down tight, and we'll show you now how we can Velcro around it, around all our bars, people, and get this thing set up. So stay tuned for more hot enclosure action. Okay, people, now that we've got this thing draped all over, there's a few things you need to think about before you put this on. There's a lot of these Velcro straps on here, people. Make sure you take each and every one apart before you try and put this on. Otherwise, it's going to be a real bear to get it on afterwards. Now then, on this one, we're going to have to take our mirrors off. And we have some LED light pods on here, too, that we had to take off, people. So we're going to do that now. We're going to take our mirror off. And it's really neat because it's the same 5mm Allen as it was for the tops. So it was pretty cool, people. It was pretty cool. Once that's off, then we take our LED light pod off. I don't think you can see it from there. Can you see it? Our little LED light pod here, people. Let's get that off real quick. Okay, shall we? Let's get that off. Okay. We've already taken the liberty of loosening the nuts because you know about loose nuts. You know about loose nuts, people, right? We don't like them. We don't like them. And of course, we live in the Rust Belt. So we'll be back after some WD-40. Now that we've got our mirror off and our LED light pod off, we can loosen up our front windshield just a tad. You don't have to take it all the way off, people, but you do need to loosen it up. Yes, you do. And then you can just start by putting all your Velcro straps all around your roll bars. And you want to make them nice and tight, people, so there's no wind that gets through there because wind really sucks on a cold winter's day. So now we get all these slid right here around our roll bars. Are you getting the ease of this installation, people? This is quite easy. See, and it comes pre-fit. Pre-fit. Everything you need to enclose your BMS, people. Although you will need to put your mirrors back on and your LED light pods on afterwards. All right. So once these are all tight, make sure everything's Velcroed into place. You can put your windshield back on. See, it's really simple. See how that works, people? And that makes the enclosure for your door. And then you go on to the back bar and the top bars and all the bars we got here, people. All the bars are out. So we're going to go ahead and attach all of our Velcro straps, and then we'll show you how to put the top back on, and maybe even go for a ride in this warm beast after we're done. So let's tighten those up, and we'll be right back to put the top on. Stick with us, people. All right, people. We've got all our straps tight and on securely. And thanks to the help of the beautiful Mrs. Luch.
Me and Mrs. Luch. Mrs. Luch. We got a thing going on.
We have gotten our top back on. Again, the only thing left to do now is to secure the top, people. And we do that right in the reverse order as we did in the first place. We stick our bolts in and fire them up, people, fire them up. And then you secure the whole top down. Just like so. And people, then all you have to do is roll your doors down. And you too can be secure inside your BMS. Your BMS. People, it will keep you warm. It will keep you safe. And it will ward off any pumas, cougars, or other small fur-bearing animals What?
We got some mountain lion bait out here, people. Watch this.
Get ready to start it. Turn
Okay.
on the lights, please.
I'm gonna let out the mountain lion mating call, and they're gonna go after Squirrel Boy over there.
No. Mrs. Luch says it won't do any of that, but it will keep you warm. And you can go to the drive-ins at night and snuggle too. Up here on Luch Mountain, if you find a nice, snow hill that you can put your movie on. But that's for another story, people. Anyways, we've got this on. That's all we need now to keep us warm. So let's go take it for a drive. Let's go, shall we? Okay, now that we've got ourselves inside here, we can go ahead and zip it up. Get ourselves all enclosed in here. Oh, yeah. I feel claustrophobic already. Don't you, people? Let's go for a drive, shall we? It already sounds quieter, doesn't it? Let's go see how it feels on the road. I feel giddy like a schoolgirl. Look both ways, and off we go! Oh yeah! Already I don't feel the breeze in my comrade. Oh look! We got more people! Hey people! Welcome to Luch Mountain! Alright! Let's go for a drive! Shall we? This is really neat, people!